Hi, I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to be reviewing the ZealSound gaming microphone with boom arm. This is a pretty solid microphone, and you can hear me talking into it now, so you can be the judge. With this microphone, you do have different things you can change. If you're having an echo, you just go to the echo knob and turn it all the way down, and you can kind of mess with that if you are getting any feedback. I did have some, but I lowered it, and now I'm good. Then you also have something for your headphones. You can plug your headphones in here directly and then listen to them there. You also have a mic volume, so you can turn your mic up and down right on here, which is nice if people can't hear you. You definitely have more room. There's a mute button. If it's showing blue, that means they can hear you. If you press the mute button, I just said now they can't hear you, and it button turns red. It automatically does have noise cancellation. If you want to turn that off, you can long hold the mute button and it will turn off the noise cancellation. Here's me going through and unboxing it. You could see all of the pieces, the microphone, the boom arm. We put it together and got it all set up. I do recommend, since I've already been through this, the part that you fasten to your desk, to put that on first and then connect the boom arm to it. That way the metal thing doesn't get in the way when you're trying to screw it on there. The audio cable is 78.7 inches long, which I think is decent. I would like it a little longer, honestly, but it does reach for my computer in the spot that I currently have it. Full disclosure, this microphone was sent to me to do a review, and that's what I'm doing right now, an honest review, so you can hear it for yourself how it sounds. They did say it was plug and play. I plugged it into my computer, and right away it picked up no problem, which is great. Not all microphones seem to do that, so I'm really glad that that is so easy to get set up. This is nice with a boom arm because you could adjust it, you can make it higher, you could push it away from you. You know, if you're going to be recording a video, it's good to have it here. If you're not, you could push it out of the way and not have to worry about it. That's one thing that's really good about boom arms. It's better than having it stand directly on your desk, because then it picks up more of your typing and anything you're doing on the desk, where if you have it up in the air, it doesn't pick up those sounds so easily. So I definitely do recommend this. It does have different attachments, USB-C, USB, and then finally Lightning. So you can even connect this up to your iPhone and use it that way. It does work on a lot of different things because you have the Lightning cable, iPhone, iPad. You can get it on the desktops and also laptops, Macs, and also PlayStation 4 and 5. You can even get it working with Linux, Mac OS, Android. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can get this condenser microphone to work with. And again, you can hear the volume for yourself, and you can test what it sounds like on your end. And that is my review on the condenser K66 microphone. I really do hope this was helpful. Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.